Bless up everyone. Jamaica has seen the passing of tropical storm Elsa. Some might be affected, but some of the most vulnerable are those who are without a home. We caught up with Bruce Parker and his uncle Oliver Muirhead, who were both homeless. This is their story.
I get wet up some of the time. Sometimes when I'm on a cardboard to sleep.
But this is where I spent the night?
Yes sir.
Right on King Street?
Right on Kingston.
And the only thing you have is the cardboard.
Only thing is the cardboard, no clothes, no shoes.
How long have you been on the street?
For about 2 years now.
2 years now?
Yeah.
Why are you on the street?
My brother run me out of the house.
Domestic?
Yeah,
issue?
domestic.
Okay.
Through the house burned down.
Oh, I see you get a burn on your leg right here. It's the
Yes,
same
sir.
burning?
Same burn.
Okay. So how you get help on the road? Just now I see the police give you guys some food. This is how you get your food sometimes?
Yeah, sometimes car come and give you food and sometimes people pass and give you food. And we have sometimes the shelter provide food.
Oh, so why are you not in a shelter?
Because the shelter full up.
Shelter full?
Yeah.
So you got there last night?
No, we couldn't get to go there.
Seeing that the storm was coming, what if the storm was more intense? How will you manage?
We don't know.
You don't know? Yeah, it's kind of sad to see out there, but you're well spoken. You have any skill? Or
Yeah, I'm used to do masonry work.
you may so work, but why are you not working now?
Through my car, I get sick, you know, I end up at Bellevue.
Oh,
I get sick and I come back. So I get better and things so. So I want to work, you
you
know.
want to work now?
Yeah.
So, if somebody want to give you a work, how them can get in touch with you?
They can come right here so and see me.
This is where you sleep every day?
I'm down here.
Down there, where's down there? Right on the
Right
court?
at the courthouse.
What is your name again?
Bruce Parker.
Bruce Parker.
Yes, sir.
Say your uncle still up for him, like,
Yeah.
who keep the unit still.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so take care.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, we just want to big up those who assist the homeless without acknowledgement, without a camera, without anybody seeing. People like the police, people like the other volunteer and the other NGOs who go there on a Sunday and give the people them food. I would just remember them in a time like this because they are Jamaicans. Some of them just need a little help. So we just say, yo, be fortunate and be grateful if you have a roof over your head in these times, you know? Big up.